Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so in that case, we need to go and open Twitter app as you can see over here. So in my case, I already have an account. So just easily what I'm going to do, I'm going to click up to the left corner on my account here and click on these 3 points up to the right corner. And then here I can create a new account or add an existing account. So I'm going to click on create a new account. And now from here, we can continue with Google or create an account. And so in my case, I'll click on create an account over here. And now we need to choose a language. You can choose English, French, Arabic. You can also click on show more and choose any of these. And also you can skip. So let's choose English and then click on next. In here, we can put the name. So let's say it's John. And from here, the email. And lastly, date of birth. And from here, you're going to receive a verification code into your email. You just need to get the code and put it here on the verification code gap. And if you didn't receive a code, just click on did not receive an email. In here, you need to create a password and then click on sign up. And wait a few seconds until you get to this page. In here, you must pick up a profile picture, and if not, just click on skip for now. And this is your username. The username, it's a name that you cannot change probably because this is not going to be the name on the page, but this is going to be your username that's going to be used in order to people can look for you. So in my case, that seems very good. Click on next, or you can click on skip for now. So let's choose next. You have your Twitter account ready to go. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.